Can you believe that these are only $4? $4. These are cuter than some lashes I've seen for $20. Girl, you better get you some, because I'm getting some more. Actually, bye. Hey guys, it's your girl K Raquel back with another video. It's so refreshing that you're here, and if you're new, then welcome. What's up? What's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips and tricks to keep your brows and your lashes on point. Eyebrow pencils with a thin tip are such a blessing. They make your life so much easier. This one is from Jordana Cosmetics in dark brunette. And there's a spoolie attached to it, also a blessing. With the light hand, I'm outlining the shape of my brow. It's better to outline, then go back and fill it in. The more light-handed you are with the product, the more natural your brows are gonna look. And that's what we want. We want our brows to be, natural. Spooling your brows helps eliminate any harsh lines there may be. And using hair-like strokes, I'm just filling in my brow where it's more sparse. Now it's time to conceal. So I'm in MAC's Pro Conceal and Correct palette in medium deep. And I'm just gonna take that first shade and I'm going to lay down the product first and then go back and put it closer to my brow, if that makes sense. So basically lay your product in the middle and then you can go either in the outer brow or in the inner brow and just work with that product that you lay down. It's easier to have less at first and then go back and get more. So with a concealer brush, I'm just gonna blend out that extra concealer. And with that same small detail brush, I'm gonna go back into that palette and take shade NW40 and conceal the top of my brow. This concealer is closer to my foundation shade, and you also can use your foundation to conceal the top of your brow as well. But if you use a concealer that is way too light for your skin tone, you're gonna have that halo brow, and that doesn't look very natural. Brush in place, blend, 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 bam. So I went ahead and did my other brow off camera, and we're on to my favorite part, lashes. So for lashes, I'm going to be using Miss 3D Lash. I got these at the beauty supply store for $4. And I just can't believe the quality of these lashes. Be careful when you take the lash out of the lash tray because sometimes it's extra sticky and you don't want your lashes to pull apart. So what I'm doing now is I'm just putting that lash up to my eye and measuring it. Everybody has different eye shapes, so just remember that lashes are not always one size fits all. And this is my favorite glue. This is Super Stronghold by Kiss, and I'm just gonna put that on the band. I'm gonna show you two ways you can put on your lashes, one way on one eye and one way on the other. So what you want to do is have your tweezers in the middle of the lash and kind of tilt your head up. It makes it easier. And you're going to bring the lash down at an angle so you can just pop it on. And you may have to adjust it and finesse it so it can fit perfectly. And I'm just kind of pressing my natural lashes with the false lash with my tweezers. You just want it as close to your natural lash line as possible. Moving on to the other eye. This strategy is for beginners or people who constantly struggle with putting on their lash. This is a good way to do it as well. So basically what you want to do is just put the lash glue on one side of the lash. So you're breaking it in half and working with one side at a time. So just like the other side, I tilted my head up and placed that lash on the side where it needs to be. So I'm gonna go back with the glue and I'm gonna put the lash glue on the opposite side. And you're all done. Just kidding. I'm just waiting for that lash to get a little bit tacky. So once that area of the lash kind of dries, I'm just gonna go in with my tweezers and just place it where it should be. Next, I'm going to use some mascara to just blend my natural lashes with the false lashes. You can literally use any mascara, but I'm using the Soap and Glory Cosmetics Thick and Fast Mascara. And this is an extra step, and guess what? I'm extra. So I'm gonna put some highlight underneath my brow bone. This highlight is from Morphe in the shade Spark. All right, y'all, that's it. We're all done. Okay guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Thank you so much again for watching as always. And if you like this video, you already know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me some love. Show me some love. See you in the next video. So in this video, I'm going to be applying my brows. Hey guys, it's your girl K Raquel back with your little